My name is Joshua David. I'm a writer, and this is why I create. When I was really young, I remember doing English classes and writing classes with my older sister, and she absolutely hated it, but I loved it. Sometime around probably 5th grade, I took a creative writing class that I was horrible at, but I really loved it. So that's probably where it started. Typically, I like romance stories. Romantic comedies, I think, are the easiest genre for me to write because I am kind of a romantic myself. I feel just like straight comedy usually isn't honest and it's not real for me. Usually when people say quirkiness, they think of kind of like a Wes Anderson or Edgar Wright. They have like a specific quirkiness that they love to incorporate. I kind of do that as well. I'd say that's part of my writing. I love writing humorous things, so there's a lot of stuff like in the screenplays that I write that's never going to be translated that way into the actual screen, but I just think it's really funny to say it like that. I like basing characters off of myself, which creates a problem because they can't express how they feel in words and they tend to kind of be isolated a lot, so they have to use voiceover to express to the audience what they're going through emotionally, because it doesn't follow visually often. I'd say art, for me, goes one of two ways. The first way is expressing how I feel and trying to just call out and show that to everybody else. And the other way is expressing kind of just how I perceive reality and how I want it to be. My name is Joshua David, and this is why I create.
Hey guys, what's up? My face is probably really red because all the blood went to my face, but we're here today to be cooking some food that's going to get you through the week.
Cooking is good.
It's fun.
It's more fun than you think it is.
Yeah.
It's easier than you think it is. It's cheaper than you think it is.
Yeah, so